Enugu State is quietly becoming one of the fastest growing states in Nigeria, and from the air, the reason is clear. Once known mainly for its coal history and calm lifestyle, Enugu is now transforming into a modern urban hub, blending development, culture, and opportunity in a way few states are achieving right now. From expanding road networks to new residential layouts, Enugu's infrastructure growth is impossible to ignore. Well-planned roads, flyovers, and improved city layouts are making movement easier and attracting both businesses and investors. The city is growing, but it's growing with structure. One of the biggest drivers of Enugu's rapid rise is its strategic focus on urban development and livability. Compared to many crowded cities, Enugu offers cleaner environments, lower congestion, and a calmer pace of life, a major advantage for professionals, families, and entrepreneurs looking for balance. Education is another key pillar of this growth. With respected institutions, universities, and research centers, Enugu continues to attract students from across Nigeria. This steady inflow of young people fuels innovation, housing demand, local businesses, and long-term economic expansion. Healthcare and social services have also seen noticeable improvement. Modern hospitals, private medical facilities, and upgraded business services are increasing confidence in the state as a place not just to visit but to settle. Enugu's economy is diversifying fast. Beyond government jobs, the state is seeing growth in real estate, technology, hospitality, agriculture, and creative industries. Local entrepreneurs are thriving, startups are emerging, and tourism is gaining attention, and people discovers Enugu's culture, food, and natural beauty. Security and governance plays a major role as well. Stability, community involvement, and focused leadership have helped create an environment where development can happen consistently without constant disruption. And then there's the people. Enugu's greatest strength is its population, resilient, educated, welcoming, and forward-thinking. This human capital is powering the state's growth for the ground up. From above, Enugu doesn't just look like a city expanding, it looks like a state preparing for the future. This is why Enugu isn't just growing fast, it is growing smart.